anayatuwe akagambo kamubiri eri Mama Halima Namakula.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nalongo Judith. Happy birthday, Mama Halima. Mama Halima, webale tubeerera muzadde wadde tetuyimba. Wabeerera muzadde and the family yange, the natural family. We've become very close. We've done businesses together. And I've learned so much from you. May God bless you. Stay beautiful, classy, and sexy. Happy 60th birthday, Mama Halima.
Yes, webale nnyo Nalongo. Omukyala Nalongo gwe mulaba. Yes. She's Judith had. Kati nga tugenda mpola. Kati tuve mu basereebu tugende mu bantu ba bulijjo. Abantu ba bulijjo. Tulinamu omukulu bamuyita Joel Isabirye. Joel Isabirye kambayo ka brief history katono. Abamumanyi Peter FM ekitabuli ky'omuziki. Before katenda fuka radio ya Uganda yali ya mama waffe Halima Namakula. Najituza
60 years, which is not so easy. We thank you for your contribution to different aspects of Ugandan life. First of all, as the Ebony said, you were a very big TV star. Some also know you as someone who has contributed to theater. But for us who have spent quite some time in the media, we thank you for launching Beat FM, which has now become a powerful station in our market. Halima took me away from Sanyo FM where I was working and asked me to start Beat FM with her and her son. It was not an easy thing to do because Beat FM was a small station and Sanyo was a big and established station. But I decided to jump, and together we built something from scratch. And for all who have been following the media, the rest is history. Halima has very many qualities, as many people have said. One, she's a counselor. She's someone when you have some issues you can talk to and she can guide you. She's very welcoming. She doesn't segregate. She is also someone who wants you to get ahead. When her son was wedding in Miami, I took a plane to attend that wedding. My boss at Capital asked me, how can you fly thousands of miles for a wedding? And I said, this family means so much to me. And if it wasn't for Halima, I would not have become established in the media. Thank you very much, Mama Halima.